Special bird, he walks, salam alaikum my friend, he takes his money and he never come back. Bah.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഷോ കാണാനായിട്ട് വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് കാണാം.
Let's welcome the most intelligent parrot in the world, the Grey African, with his best friend, Mr. Jack. Everybody, let's give them a big round of applause. Now, Coco is the most intelligent parrot من أذكى بغبغاء العالم, and Coco can actually speak. You want to say something in Arabic?
Say it, wait. Say hello in Arabic.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. You want to say something in English?
So everybody, how are you?
Hey, everybody's doing great. Coco, give me a sound of a cat. Wow, a dog. Nice. When you see a pretty lady, what do you do? Cool. These birds cannot fly for a long distance. They have very short wings. The wings are too small. They cannot carry their weight. Very nice. Keep it like this. Fantastic. Fantastic. Baba. All right. Thank you so much. Lovely. Come, let's try. All right. Stand here. Cool. And open your hand. Now these birds are the four most beautiful toucan. The most beautiful toucan is called the rainbow toucan, and they have 7 different colors. Yes. Have you ever seen a bird doing a painting before? طير عم يرسم. Okay, there is this famous Italian artist. His name is Jean Picasso, and this bird was admired by this artist. So together, let's welcome all the way from Australia, and he studied in Paris, Monsieur Jean Picasso. Wow. Jean Picasso is called the surfing gagatus. These birds, they come in 4 different colors: white, black, gray, and pink. All of them can live up to 8 years of age. بيعيشوا ل 80 سنة. But the one in black is the only bird who can live up to 100. بيعيش ل 100 سنة. They find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
Wow.
Can you do it?
First, let me get a partner.
Hey, shoot first, let me get...
It's okay.
No, nobody, you... Cheater. Now this bird is using the brush with different colors, creating a masterpiece. I want you to use your imagination. استعملوا الخيال. Look at the painting and tell me, what do you see? شو تشوفوا? What does it look like? Does it look like a house, a tree, a butterfly? What do you see? I see something there. It's super nice.
What does it look like?
It looks like Burj Khalifa. Yeah. The construction of Burj Khalifa. Wait a minute, it's drawing something. Wait a minute, it looks like 2 birds now. Why are you messing up the painting? Lovely, alright. Now, I want you to hold the money like this in your hand. Alright, stretch your arm. Now, this bird has been trained by 2 genius people, me and Saeed. He comes, very special bird, he walks, salam alaikum my friend, he takes his money and he never come back. Bah.
What? Why he never comes back?
Khalas, the money is gone.
No, we have to give
You
the
wait, you want to play some more?
Yeah.
Give me some more. Okay, wait, who think we should give him the money back? No. Sorry. Okay, now stand here. Open your hand like this. Alright, once he come, put the money, bring the money, huh? Here comes with the money. Come on, big boy. Then close your hand. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. I'm joking, here we go. Thank you. Lovely. Alright. Thank you for joining us. You're all incredible. Your MC Ayaz?
I'm Sid.
Have a great day. Bye-bye. Ma salama.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ബേഡ് ഷോ എല്ലാം കണ്ടു. അടിപൊളി. എന്നിരുന്നാലും കൊള്ളാം. വെറൈറ്റി പക്ഷികൾ അവരായിട്ട് കാണിക്കുന്ന കുറേ പരിപാടികളെല്ലാം നല്ല രസമുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും വരണം, കാണണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ കീപ്പ് ഓൺ വാച്ചിങ്.